Hey, welcome back. Box number 3. 20 boxes on a pallet. If you for $900, so it's like $43 a box or something like that. But you can get a lot more in these boxes than $43. So I'm on. I hope I quadruple my money or more. Brand new stuff. Usually it's brand new 99% of the time. You get anything in these boxes. Anything. All right, let's open it. There's not much in here at all. This is going to be a quick video. Okay, what do we got here? Two Halloween masks, or some kind of mask that light up, which look pretty cool. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pink squirt bottles. I had one in my last video. I'll take it out just to show you quick. If you see anything you like, you can email me. My email address will be on the bottom of the video. Check out my eBay store also. Clear bubbles. I have no idea what that's for. Like the video, share the video also, all that good stuff. Any comments you can leave, good, bad, and different. This is a frequency range AM 520 to 1710 kilowatts, FM WB size is 17.7 and weight is 390 grams. So it's a radio, flashlight, multifunctional emergency radio. SOS siren, flashlight, and reading lamp. There we go. What do we got here? This thing's open. Hopefully it's not broken. It says harvest. All right. Shoot. Harvest. Nothing exciting really. You only got 4 or 5 more items in there or less. Okay, what do we have? 6.6 billion. What is this? Oh, when you were born. So this is for something 16, 2006 to 2022. But I guess it tells you what happened on those dates, I imagine. I really don't want to take it apart. What is this? So nice. So nice. Here's the free, you can create stuff with all these things. Okay, last item in the box. The heck is this? I don't know. All right, somehow it goes like this, like a chalice. It screws on. It's empty, so I don't know. I have no idea what this is for. Maybe it's just a decoration. Weird decoration, but decoration nonetheless. Hey, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. And great. Stay tuned for box number 3 on the first pallet. See you guys later.